Hello learners, welcome to LC Academy and welcome back to our MERN Stack development journey. In the previous session, we learned what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript fundamentals. Using those technologies, we can build a static and interactive web pages. Now we are moving the one of the most popular front-end library that is called React. React helps us build a fast, modern and reusable user interfaces. Today we will learn the basic concept of React and that every Stack developer should know. Okay, let's get into the video. The Stack, the modern web challenges. Why React will use? Earlier, developers used a plain JavaScript to update the web pages manually. As the application becomes larger, managing the code becomes difficult. React solves the problems by using reusable components and updating only the necessary part of the page. This makes applications faster, cleaner, and easier to maintain. Like example, in JavaScript we can write a code like document.getElement by id. If you are called id, you can use in JavaScript like document.getElement by id in the inner HTML. Now the another code of React we use function app. The return is inside the any HTML element. So the code will be very reusable and compact for developers. So we can move React JavaScript into React. Okay. Now what is React? React is a JavaScript library used for building a user interface. It was created a Facebook now called Meta. React focuses only on the front end, meaning everything the user sees on the screen. Like you can see the now bar, buttons, footer, any other images. These all are created by the React. Okay. So the React is the reusable compact code. The React was created by Facebook. Now that Facebook is also called a Meta. Okay. Now why React is popular? In nowadays all developer used React for the front end library. So why the React is popular? React has so many powerful features. We can see one by one. It uses a virtual DOM for better performance. DOM means document object model. Like it allows create a reusable components, and then it has a huge community and thousands of useful libraries. Okay, like components example like function button, it's written inside the return you can add the HTML tags like buttons, divs. These tags are used. Okay. And then setting up your environment. Okay, now guys, we can create a React app. Okay, first of all you can write a code in your React. You can first create a React app. Go to normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript are normally created one file and open your VS Code. You can create a file name like index.js, script.js, style.css, these types of files and files name. But the React is little different. So first of all we can step by step create a React app. React have a two models. In the previous we can use CRM like npm start. Now we have a React with. It means it's the latest version. Now that means the npm random. Okay, now we can create a React app. Okay. First of all, I can already open the new folder. Okay, new folder. Open the terminal, new terminal. Okay, now you can see the correct path. I can open the new folder, user, and then my name and desktop. Inside the desktop, we can create a new folder. Now, inside this path, we can create a npx create react create react app space your app name, like I can create my app. Okay, you forgot this. You can first of all clearly write what are the process to create a react app. You can note it down. Okay, now my npx create react app my app means it's my choice, so I can create my app. If you are need any other your project name or like first project, that which name you can need, you can write. Okay, now okay, the directory my app contains file, it's conflict package.json. Okay, either try using the new dictionary, remove the files. Okay, you can. Okay, now the my app will be created. Okay, if you need a Node.js, Node.js, Express.js, you can write the command inside the terminal. The package will be open. Okay, like the SRC, the several some types of app.js, and then several apps will be several particular files will be created in that side. Okay, now this is the command how to create a react app. Okay, now we create a react app in our VS code. Okay, first we will open the VS code. Okay, open the VS code. I'm already create one new folder. Okay, first of all, go to the terminal and new terminal. Okay, now we can check the path. First of all, user, inside the user, it's my name, and then I create a new folder inside the desktop. Okay, so next we can write a command npx create react app my app. Okay, the my app is my app name. If you need any other project name, you can write your own. Okay, now enter. Okay, it have some time, so you can wait some seconds, because it will install some packages related to React, like React router DOMs, React scripts, and any other extra Axio. If you need any other extension like Tailwind, Bootstrap, and React Axio. If you need, you can put into the correct command in your terminal, and you can install that package also. Okay. Now some 220 or 230 packages are installed in that one React app. If you open new React app, compulsory you can install this all packages. That time you can, that time your React app will be work properly. Okay. 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 It have some couple of minutes. We will wait. If you need, I work on old React, so I can use this npx create react app command. If you need to work with React, I mean the latest version, you can write the command like npm create with at latest. This command you can run your terminal. You open the latest version of React. Okay, now the packages all are installed. Like how many packages we can see? Okay, 271 packages uh, installed. Okay, so now the happy hacking will become your React app will be created successfully. Okay, now we can open. Okay, my app. Inside your app name, you can create the node modules, public, src. If you are create any other files inside the src, you create a command component folder, and inside the component folder you can create the major pages like top bar, now bar, and then sidebar, the main content, also a home page. These type of contents you can create inside the component folder. Okay, now the app.js and see all have a set of some codes. That code is related to the React logo and the React content. If you are writing the code, you can delete these codes and you can write your own code. Okay, this is the process of creating a React app. First of all, the my app means it's a front end folder. If you need a back end folder, you can write some separate comments. Okay, now we can move the next slide. Okay. Okay. You are forgot, you can note it down this two commands, the run npm and the npm run dev commands. Okay, note it down. And then this is JSX. JSX is nothing but it's a JSX allows us to write the HTML inside the JavaScript. A syntax extends that lets you write HTML like the markup inside the JavaScript. Okay, it looks familiar, but it's a fully powered JavaScript. It looks like a HTML, but React converts into the JavaScript before running. Okay, and next one is components. Okay, everything in React is a component. Like I'm already told you, inside the SRC, inside the SRC you can create a component folder, and inside the all main folders into your component, all files into your components folder. Okay, like a navbar, footer, login form or card, all are components. Inside of the writing the same codes with separately, we can create a one component and its reuse. Okay, you can write a code in your component folder, and you can change or you can call the file name into the app.js. We can briefly explain the codes in the next video. Okay, now props. The props are used to send the data from a parent components to child components. Think of prompts like a function parameter. If you have write any functions, first of all you need some parameters. So the same process is parent element, parent component and child component. Okay. And that is state and event handling. State stores the data that can change while the application is running. Whenever the state changes, React automatically update the screen. Okay, because most developers are used React. The JavaScript is the old method and it's a code very messy, but the React it's a compact and easy to read and clean code. React automatically change the update of your screen. If you can write any code or you can change any code in your website, only you can write the code. The automatic you cannot run your server, but automatically the screen automatically change with the uses of React. Okay. When I click a button, the values will increases automatically because the React updates the UI. Without the server running, the React automatically update your UI. It's the biggest benefit of using React. And then, okay. Now its conclusion. Today we learned how the basics of React, including JXX components, prompt states, and event handling. These components are the foundation for every React applications. In the next class, we will deeply explain what are the codes are and React hooks, and then connect APIs in React. These will MERN Stack applications. Okay, and in this video we can create how to create a React app. You can pause the video and you can create your own React app, and the next video we will start the coding section. Okay, I hope you guys you can understand this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching LC Academy. Thank you.